Hello everyone, welcome to Crown Biology classes. This is Rohit Chaudhary, and in today's lecture we are going to study the topic named Phylum Echinodermata. We are going to study this under part 9 under Animal Kingdom series. So first of all, we should have a brief introduction about it. जो इसके अंदर organisms पाए जाते हैं वो सारे के सारे marine हैं. Marine means they are present either in ocean or sea. इसके अंदर 6000 स्पीशीज पाई जाती है ऑर्गेनिजम्स की और ये कोडेट्स के साथ सिमिलैरिटी शो करते हैं क्योंकि इनके अंदर भी कोडेट्स की तरह रेडियल क्लीवेज और जो ब्लास्टोपोर है वो एनस की फॉर्मेशन करता है. पहले एनस की फॉर्मेशन पहले होती है, उसके लिए एक टर्म यूज करी जाती है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ड्यूटेरोस्टोम. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फाइलम इकाइनोडर्मेटा इन डिटेल. Phylum Echinodermata. First of all, we should know why the phylum is named as Echinodermata. What is the meaning of this term? This Echinodermata is made up of two words, echino and derma. Echino means spiny or spine and dermata means skin. Derma or dermis is the skin layer. इसमें वो organisms पाए जाते हैं जिनकी स्किन स्पाइनी है, जिनकी बॉडी में स्पाइन्स प्रेजेंट है. द फर्स्ट फीचर अंडर फाइलम इकाइनोडर्मेटा इज these animals have an endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles. Calcareous means made up of calcium carbonate and hence the name Echinodermata. इसलिए Echinodermata बोला जाता है. That means spiny bodied. The next feature is all are marine. That means present in sea or ocean with organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization is found in the members of phylum Echinodermata. Right from the phylum Platyhelminthes, we are discussing that all the members are having organ system level of organization. In phylum Platyhelminthes, in phylum Helminthes, in phylum Annelida, in phylum Arthropoda, in phylum Mollusca, and now in phylum Echinodermata, organ system level of organization is present. The next feature is the adult echinoderms. The adult echinoderms are radially symmetrical. Radially symmetrical means the body can be divided into two equal halves और एक से ज्यादा प्लेन में बॉडी को टू इक्वल हाफ्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए टर्म यूज की जाती है रेडियली सिमेट्रिकल. जैसे कि हम इस डायग्राम में देख सकते हैं, ये स्टारफिश है. ऑलराइट, दिस इज स्टारफिश. It's not working. Starfish. Okay. So this is the picture of a starfish in which radial symmetry is shown. Pentaradial symmetry. As we can see, the body can be divided into 5 parts. Pentaradial. But the larvae, they are bilaterally symmetrical. The larvae are bilaterally symmetrical means their body can be divided into two equal halves in only one plane. The next important feature under phylum Echinodermata is they are triploblastic. Triploblastic means all the 3 germ layers will be present, namely the outermost ectoderm, the middle mesoderm and the innermost endoderm, and they are coelomate animals. Coelomate animals in which coelom is present. Coelom is nothing but the internal space or the cavity. Internal space or the cavity. Alright. The next feature is digestive system is complete. Complete means 2 separate openings are present, one for mouth and one for anus. With mouth on the lower side. Mouth is situated on the ventral side or the lower side and anus is situated on the upper or the dorsal side. The next feature is, and this is the most important feature of this phylum, an excretory system is totally absent. Excretory system is totally absent. So the examiner can ask you a question that name the phylum in which the excretory system is totally absent. So the answer will be phylum Echinodermata. जो most important feature है echinoderms का or we can say the most distinctive feature of echinoderms is the presence of a water vascular system or the water ambulacral system. So let's study about the water ambulacral system, and this is most important. So this is the water vascular system. This is the diagram showing the water vascular system in starfish. As we can see, this is the starfish, and in the body of starfish this water vascular system is present, and this water vascular system helps in food transport, excretion, respiration and locomotion as well. Alright, so first of all, this rounded structure is madreporite, and it consists of perforated plates. Perforated plates are present, that means pores are present. Pores are present so that water can enter inside this. Water will lead into the stone canal. Alright, and further stone canal leads into pentagonal ring canal. And pentagonal ring canal further leads into radial canal, and radial canal leads into lateral canal, and finally into the tube foot. So this is the transport of water. Alright, this is the sequence how water will be transported from madreporite to stone canal to pentagonal ring canal to radial canal to lateral canal, and finally to the tube foot. As we can see, this is the structure of a tube foot. Alright, this is the structure of a tube foot, and it consists of the uppermost region, that is ampulla, then comes podium, and then sucker. As we can see, this is the enlarged portion. Okay, this is the enlarged view of tube foot. As we can see, three parts. First one is ampulla, second one is podium, and the third one is sucker. And basically these tube foot, they help in locomotion. There is a valve present, as you can see, and the water will enter into this ampulla, or we can say this tube foot through this valve. So this is the brief overview of water vascular system. The next important feature is the most distinctive feature of echinoderms is the presence of a water vascular system. This water vascular system, it is also called ambulacral system. Alright, and this water vascular system, as we have studied, it helps in locomotion, capture of food, transport of food. It do helps in respiration. रेस्पिरेशन में कैसे हेल्प करेगा? डर्मल ब्रैंकिया प्रेजेंट होंगे, और जो डर्मल ब्रैंकिया है वो रेस्पिरेशन में हेल्प करेंगे, एंड इन एक्सक्रीशन एज वेल. सो सी how much important this water vascular system is to the echinoderms. It plays a number of functions. So this is the structure of a tube foot, single tube foot. We will label the parts to have a proper understanding of the diagram. This is ampulla. This is ampulla. This middle part is podium. This is podium. Okay, and this is sucker. This is sucker. So tube foot has three main parts. The first one is ampulla, the second one is podium, and the third one is sucker. Here we can see a valve present, and through this valve water entry occurs in the tube foot. Water enters through this valve into the tube foot. जो एम्प्यूला है पोर्शन, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? प्रेशर पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर प्रेशर पड़ेगा, तो जो पानी होगा इसके अंदर, जिसके अंदर पानी प्रेजेंट होगा वो नीचे जाएगा. प्रेशर पड़ेगा, नीचे जाएगा, ठीक है, और इससे लोकोमोशन में भी हेल्प मिलेगी. सो दिस इज द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ ट्यूब फुट. द नेक्स्ट फीचर इज sexes are separate. Sexes are separate, that means they are dioecious. reproduction is sexual. They do reproduce sexually, and the fertilization is usually external. External means outside the body in the water. The next feature is development is indirect. Indirect development means larval stages will be involved. Whenever you see that the development is indirect, then it should instantly come into your mind that there will be larval stages involved, and the larva will be free swimming larva. Alright, free swimming larva will be present. The most important examples included under Echinodermata are, the first one is Asterias, known as starfish. Asterias is the zoological name or the scientific name, and it is commonly known as starfish. Echinus is the zoological name, it is commonly known as sea urchin. Antedon is known as sea lily. Cucumeria is commonly known as sea cucumber. Ophiura is commonly known as brittle star. Now let's have a look at the pictures of the examples that we have studied just now. The first one is starfish. Starfish. And the scientific or the zoological name is Asterias. Asterias. The second one is Echinus. This is Echinus. As we can see, these are the spines present. These are the spines which are calcareous. That's why the members are known as echinoderms. As we can see, small spines are present on starfish as well. And the most important feature, pentaradial symmetry. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pentaradial symmetry is shown. This is the picture of Antedon, commonly known as sea lily. Commonly known as sea lily. This is the picture of Cucumeria. Cucumeria. Cucumeria is commonly known as sea cucumber. This is the picture of Ophiura. Ophiura, and it is commonly known as brittle star. And the spines are clearly visible. See how beautifully the spines are visible. So this is all about the phylum Echinodermata. I hope you all have enjoyed the lecture. And if you do like these videos, then do share. Do comment as well. So ending this video lecture on a positive note, there is a positive saying which says, allow your passion to become your purpose, and it will one day become your profession. I found it very motivational and inspiring. So sharing with you all. Thank you.